A soulmate is the person who supports your direction, who motivates and encourages you to stretch, to change, to reinvent yourself until you are happy. A soulmate is someone who loves you with so much conviction and so much heart that it is nearly impossible to doubt just how capable you are of becoming exactly who you have always wanted to be. Today is a stepping over the threshold into a whole new adventure, from meeting in the rock climbing club in Western to a long distance relationship, seeing each other over the years, into getting engaged in Mexico, getting your first apartment together, living with your best friend, as Devin put it, bringing family into your connection. Today is the beginning of a brand new adventure. So this journey you're officially embarking on today as a team takes trust, respect, the art of deep listening, radical acceptance, self-responsibility, dedication, discipline, and faith in each other. There will be challenges, as you know, life is full of them. But when you have each other, you have everything.
Cacao is a beautiful plant medicine that's known to open our hearts. Envision an intention you have for yourself, something that you wish to bring forward in this marriage. And now envision a shared intention for your marriage, something that you both wish to bring forward. And now take your cup and hold it up a little bit and send an intention out into the world, a wish that you have for Mother Earth, who holds us with so much love. And so it is. Blessings to you both, blessings to your marriage, and blessings to Mother Earth.
Daniela Silva Morales, I love how you smile. Every time you do, it warms my heart in a way I never knew possible. I love your eyes and how they pierce through me to see to my core. I love how you hold me. It feels like I could melt with just how deep your love is. When we met in college, our friend told me that there is someone you just have to meet. And when your gaze met mine at the rock climbing club, it's as if the clouds and the worlds behind you lit up, and I just knew you were heaven manifest, and I just had to know your name. We've had so many great times together, and even through the rough times, your patience, your compassion, your willingness to listen, to learn, to communicate, and to grow with me shows every day that you deserve the same respect, the same love, and same effort in return. You are God's image of beauty in human form. And though I cannot say how I got so lucky to have you as someone, for me to be the one that you love, I will work, I will fight, I will do all the hard things needed to earn your love every day. I promise to get stronger, smarter, and wiser every day for you. I promise to listen, to be honest, open-minded, and authentic for you every day. I promise to always be your loyal partner in life as I strive to be the best version of myself for you. I'm so excited that my best friend in all of this world will be by my side in this life. I look forward to seeing the world with you, to striving for our dreams together. Most of all, I look forward to having you in my life, Danny. Mi amor, mi corazón, la otra mitad de mi alma. Te amo y siempre te amaré.
Dear Devin, the moment I met you, I believe my soul recognized you. There was this undeniable magnet pull towards you. I had prayed for someone guided by spirit, compassionate, gentle, and trustworthy. And as I got to know you, you embodied those qualities I had longed for and so much more. I remember the first night I admitted to myself I had fallen deeply in love with you. We were back in college, outdoors, listening to music, and I felt so at peace in your arms. It was the sense of finally coming home. You'd always carve out space and time for us. You even drove all along the East Coast to see me when I was away for work. You've been patient with me. You've encouraged me to open up the parts of myself that had hardened. You have brought comfort and love into my life every single day. I promise to keep becoming the best version of myself for you and for us. I promise to care for you, to respect you, and to choose us in every season, every valley, and every peak. Above all, I promise to love you wholly and fiercely every single day we are given. I cannot wait to see our story unfold today and for all the days of my life. I vow to walk this path with you, to love you, honor you, cherish you always.
May it be an extreme thoughtfulness and reverence that you enter now into this sacred relationship. Devin, I take you as you are.
Devin, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
I promise from this day forward.
I promise from this day forward.
To support and love you completely.
To support and love you completely.
Danny, I take you as you are.
Danny, I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
Loving who you are now and who you are yet to become.
I promise from this day forward.
I promise from this day forward.
To support and love you completely.
To support and love you completely.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss this lovely bride.
Will you be the light?